Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Today I'm doing something a little different. I mean, I'm still camping, but I'm doing the 5-gallon bucket camping challenge. So I checked YouTube, and I'm missing a glove somewhere. Uh-oh. I'll have to go back and look. So I checked YouTube, I did a search, and I couldn't find any videos related to this subject. So I thought, well, that's cool, I'll do this. So the idea is fill up a bucket and take it camping. Unfortunately, I've already failed because I didn't have enough room for food. And I also carried the axe and saw in because I wanted to work on all this firewood over here. So yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking. I gotta go find my other glove. So let's go over everything I brought. It's pretty much typically the same gear that I've been bringing. So gloves, as soon as I find the other one. Hidden Woodsman possible pouch. Unfortunately, I couldn't find the glove, so that's too bad. So I went and grabbed my Hardy work gloves out of the Jeep. And here I have some just some Justin's peanut butter, cotton balls with some matches, Sawyer Mini, my fire kit. It's just got lighter, some of this cord that has a burnable center, birthday candles, spare ferro rod, matches. Get a whistle, headlamp, Sport, tea, coffee, and some of these Crystal Light drinks, and a spare battery. And like I said, a lot of the same stuff I typically always bring because, you know, it works, so why mix it up. Bug spray, which I've already had to apply, mandatory. Adventure Metal Kit Trauma Pack, because, you know, I don't want to get hurt, but if I do, I have something to apply. Blue ceramic mug for drinking hot beverages. Bandana. Like I said, a lot of measuring cup because I brought Mountain House meals. Canteen to boil in. Spare battery. More black. Some toasted corn nuggets as a snack. Paracord, water. Found this at, well, I got smoked almonds out of an MRE. It's also a snack. I'm trying this out. It's a 1 liter outdoor product, outdoor research products. It just says outdoor products. It's a 1 liter collapsible bag. More companion. 2 drum liners, 5x7 reflective tarp, and I've actually got some new gear today, so I'll turn the camera and give you a better look. I'm going to be trying the Snug Pack Jungle Blanket XL for the first time. I just bought this. It's a new piece of gear, never used one before, kind of excited to try that out. And then for my sleeping pad, I got this at Costco, $29.99, and it came with a pillow. So after tax, it was like $32.99. So I'm going to be trying that out for the first time. And oh, this is a paper from the foldable canteen, 1 liter, 33.8 ounces. 1 liter capacity. Probably didn't need that in there. And then the bucket I got at Home Depot. It actually came with a lid, but I left it at home because I couldn't get the lid on. So I get the receipt for it, which I'll just burn later. It was $5.76. Now you might be thinking, well, gee, Mark, it's kind of unusual for you to not bring a chair. Well, not true, because I can just sit on the bucket. Pretty sturdy. I can use it to collect firewood, I can use it to collect water. Given its color, I could string this up on a piece of paracord, or just hang it on a long limb, which I've got plenty around. Hang it up, let it, so color and contrast. So that's what, 4 different uses. Chair, collecting, holding things. Not to mention this pad is orange. So I could take the stuff sack, fill it with leaves, hang it up somewhere in my camp. That's a pretty big indicator here. There's something orange over here. The pillow too, given its small size. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's small. I mean, I can still fill it full of leaves, or just show a bandana in there. And yeah, golden. So not only is it going to rest my head tonight, but I could use stuff sack for signaling, and the pillow is also orange, so I could use the pillow to signal as well. I mean, it's got a blow tab, so you know what? Actually, it would have been smart to bring a little bit of tape and put a piece of tape on it and string it up as well. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 items, including the bucket, that I could string up around camp as a, hey, I'm here, I'm hurt, whatever. Food for thought. The only thing bad about the bucket is there's no back support, but you do what you have to. Let's get the shelter going. I need that before fire, so